I don't even argue nowadays. Okay, you win, just leave me alone. Self-respect is always your first priority than any relation. Life is beautiful when you are happy inside. Unexpected friendships are the best ones. Sometimes the wrong choice takes you to the right place. You are trying your best, and trust me, that is enough. Some people are always important with or without conversation. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Damaged people are strong because they know how to survive. One song could bring back millions of memories. It's okay to be silent sometimes. When you care for someone more than they deserve, you get hurt more than you deserve. A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. Agree, one real person is enough. Only our pillow knows the amount of emotions we hide from the world. Notice everything but be quiet. Some people are always important, with or without conversation. People leave when they find someone better. Never trust your heart because it's on the right side. Hurt me with the truth. Don't comfort me with a lie. Yes, I smile, but it doesn't mean I'm fine. True people cry when you leave. Fake people leave when you cry. Why I can't turn off my feelings? No matter how angry or sad I am, I automatically smile when I see your pic. Follow your heart, but take your brain with you. Beauty is not in the face. Beauty is light that shines in the heart. Replacing me is easy, but finding a vibe like mine is impossible, I promise. Some people love you but don't tell you. Some people tell you but don't love you. Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. If you liked my video, click to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.